What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new update on Bitcoin Cash. I thought it would be interesting to make an update on Bitcoin Cash. I haven't covered it in the last couple of days, but overall I know a lot of you are in trades both long and short on Bitcoin Cash right now, so I just wanted to give you my thoughts on the current situation. The phenomenon which we have been seeing for the last couple of days, for the last week or so, is that we're losing some momentum. I mean, in the end, the volume does keep coming back a bit. Like also right here, Thursday, not too long ago, we actually got quite a lot of bullish momentum up to 300 again. But overall, the volume is dropping down. We're right now at 500 million, still 10 times higher than the volume we were at previously. And in terms of price action, you can also see that there's been some sort of bearish momentum right here. So yeah, we'll just go over what's going on right now, what I expect, some important things that we identified earlier, and in general, I'll try to give you a full overview of what to expect. Before we dive into Bitcoin Cash specifically, though, if you want to receive daily trading signals, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But now into Bitcoin Cash. So first of all, I think Bitcoin Cash was manipulated. My main argument for that is experience, first of all, and especially experience with, if we can actually check it out right here, I think it's better to check it out here. Experience with cryptos that have volume distributions like this. You can see that BCH right now has a lot of volume coming from exchanges like BYBIT, Memecoin Global, some other minor exchanges. So it looks very manipulated, or at least historically this seems manipulated, and historically that means that after a rally like this you'll get a big crash. Now so far we haven't crashed that much. I would have expected a bigger crash, but there's basically two things that can happen. You can have a big crash, or you can have a very slow bleeding process, right? So if we take a look at, for example, ARPA. With ARPA, you saw a combination right here. First, a very big crash, and then we just bled. I think in the end, we dropped down a total of 50% still, while that initial crash was from the top right there was also 33%. So in total, we dropped down 68%. That's also something I expect for Bitcoin Cash, unfortunately. Perhaps a little bit less, because there are some positive fundamentals as well. But yes, I do expect quite a big crash, at least like 50% over the next, let's say, 2 months. I am giving myself a little bit of time. But yeah, it could be something like that. Can also be something like this, right? So, well, this also had quite a big crash, but this then, where it's basically bearish momentum for a duration of quite a long time. So right here, it took like from the 23rd of February to the 11th of March, a month after hitting the top, for a drop of about 42%. So that's something I expect. I think that's also been semi-confirmed. Like what we saw yesterday is moves like these. Moves like these are a general indication that bearish momentum is kicking in. We also had a bearish breakout under this level right here around 275. So in general, I think that slow descent is starting. There's still a possibility if Bitcoin becomes very, very bullish right here, that Bitcoin Cash will follow that. It's still possible. Like Bitcoin Cash to 350 is still possible. I would say it's very unlikely though, and I think it's more likely that we'll slowly start dropping down towards 250, 240, then find some support there, then slowly down to 220, and all the way down to that level around 130. Now I know a lot of you will hate me for saying this, but this is genuinely what I think is going to happen. Even though I could make arguments as to why Bitcoin Cash should have been bullish, I can make no single argument as to why Bitcoin Cash should have rallied from 110 up to 130. And if you can make that argument, then please let me know, but we'll probably not agree. So this is my thought on Bitcoin Cash for the short term and the long term. And we'll keep you updated on that if you're interested in that. But for now, this is my take on Bitcoin Cash. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.